guys, it's Captain Snow, and we're back with another video.
Yes, so for this week, we are coming to you guys with crystals for the signs. So we picked out crystals for each of the zodiac signs, and we're here to explain why we think this will bring you a good spiritual healing.
And all these crystals we chose were intuitively chosen. The reasons why we chose them is because we believe that these crystals will help you based on your zodiac sign and the traits that you display and the strengths and weaknesses, that these will help bring you spiritual healing.
So with that being said, we're excited, so let's get into this week's video.
Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me.
So for our Sagittarians, we chose the crystal selenite.
Selenite is such a beautiful, powerful crystal.
Yes. And I feel like Sagittarians are just all over the place, and this crystal is just an all-encompassing crystal.
Exactly.
Like, this crystal is super powerful. You're gonna get really good use out of this crystal.
Exactly. So with selenite will help you attract like-minded people, which I feel like Sagittarius would just really appreciate. Sagittarius are very philosophical people, and they're just always diving into deeper meanings and deeper connections, and just really questioning the universe and questioning reality.
Yes.
So I feel like selenite, attracting like-minded people, finding those people that you can have those deep connections with and have those conversations with.
And also, Sagittarius just being ruled by Jupiter, they're highly optimistic and just have this really positive type of energy. So finding people that are on the same vibration as you.
Exactly.
Because it can be very frustrating to just be with low vibration people all the time. Okay, again, like we talked about Sagittarius being all over the place, this crystal is going to be really good with helping you prioritize and focus on specific projects. You guys are go-getters. You have lots of things and ambitions that you want to do.
Fire culture.
Yes, this is big fire culture, like Gabriella said. So many things that you want to do, so many places you want to see. So this is going to help you prioritize your list.
Selenite is also really good for just giving you that clarity that you need in relationships and with your mental clarity. So just clearing things up and giving you that grounding.
I know Sagittarius can have this tendency to feel very caged, even whether it's mentally or in certain relationships that they're in. So this is just going to help you not fear losing your freedom, and whether you feel that sense of comfort in relationships.
Exactly.
Selenite is also very good for clearing and cleansing your energies and removing any blockages that you might have. With Sagittarius, like we talked about, being so optimistic and being so radiating on such a high vibrational level, sometimes when they feel out of whack and feel those blockages from whether it's hanging out with low vibrational people or certain experiences they might experience, it's going to help clear those blockages and help you find your balance and seek healing.
So for Capricorns, we chose the amethyst. Amethyst is a beautiful crystal that helps relieve stress, and it's a detoxifier, which is just so good for Capricorns, because Capricorns, you guys are getting the bag, you're hard workers, you just got a strong head on your shoulders, but with that comes a lot of stress, sometimes overworking yourself, being a workaholic. So this will just help you just
relax,
de-stress.
Yeah. So like Gabriella was talking about with that stress reliever, this crystal is also good for helping you clear your head. And with clearing your head, it's going to help you guys be back into that mindset that you guys strive for, and help you be more dedicated to your work and get more inspirational ideas that are going to help you elevate yourself.
Also with amethyst, it helps increase your confidence in sharing your emotions. Capricorns, you guys can be very guarded and very closed off, and it's hard for you to let your walls down. So amethyst will help you bring those walls down and have those conversations that need to be had with those loved ones and those people in our life that we need to have those emotion-filled conversations with.
So Capricorns, again, body rulership, they rule the joints. So this is going to be really good with helping soothe aches within the joints, as well as like soothing headaches. Again, with so much going on inside your head, so the head decluttering, it's going to help with the headaches.
And the last point that we're going to touch on is that amethyst helps to seek fortune, and like we said, you guys like to go after the bag, you like to seek that fortune. It'll help you along your journey to get to the top. You guys are the goats. You guys climb that mountain, so it'll help you get to the point that you're trying to get to.
So for Aquarius, we chose this very interesting crystal because you guys are interesting people, and it is called aragonite. So for our Aquarians, again, you guys have a tendency to be lone wolves. You guys are cut from a different cloth. Nobody's built like you, so you can have this tendency to feel very alone and isolated. So this crystal is going to be really good for helping clear those isolated blockages that you might feel emotionally, and providing that emotional support that you might not feel that you're getting from outside sources.
Aragonite, if I'm saying that right, also brings calmness and peace, also helps you form a deeper connection with the earth, which we thought was super cool because I feel like every Aquarian that I meet just has this like really unique connection with the earth, surprisingly, as an air sign, help you really ground yourself. Aquarians, you guys are air signs, you're all the way up here, so sometimes you need to ground yourselves and bring yourselves back down to earth, so that'll be perfect for you.
So aragonite's also very good for helping clear blockages that you might be feeling in mind, body, and spirit, and helping you connect the three. With Aquarians, they have a tendency to come across more cold and detached. So it's just going to help you just remove those blockages you might be feeling and be more open to love and help you build those connections again. And also with helping with mood swings. It's going to help you be more stabilized and again, connecting the mind, body, spirit, and heart, and all those together.
So last but certainly not least of the zodiacs, we have Pisces, and for Pisces, for you guys, we chose orange calcite.
This crystal just looks so yummy. I just want
like a gummy.
Yeah.
Orange calcite is so good for enhancing your natural gifts. You guys have natural ability when it comes to intuition, manifestations, connecting yourself with your spirit and spirituality. So this will just help enhance those.
You have a very strong tendency to follow your heart, to think with your heart. It's very I feel in how you move through life. So with that, this crystal is going to be really good at connecting your head to your heart. So helping you in times where it's necessary think logically and less emotionally.
Orange calcite actually helps you heal from past traumatic events. I feel like Pisces, you guys are water signs, you're often very, very misunderstood, which often leads to traumatic events in your life of not being heard or whatever that might be that you may have been through. So to help you combat these and help heal and get through these traumatic events that you've been through in your life. It also boosts your ability to self-heal. The ability to self-heal is so beautiful. Obviously, you should get the help that you need from secondary sources, from other people when necessary, but the ability to be able to self-heal and to see the strengths and weaknesses within yourself is a beautiful thing. So orange calcite is extremely good for that.
And last, calcite's also really good for helping rid your body of toxins and also of old patterns and bad habits and just overall bad things in your life that you just want to let go of.
You water sign babies,
yes,
y'all need that.
Releasing can be a tough thing, so it's really gonna help.
Let go. Alright guys, that's it for this week's video. We hope you guys enjoyed and enjoyed all these crystals that we talked about. If you really liked what we said about some of the crystals, you don't have to be that zodiac to go out and get this crystal. These crystals are for everybody. They're a universal tool that help us navigate through life and find spiritual healing. So if you just really resonated with one of the crystals that we were talking about, go out, go buy it. Crystals are a beautiful tool, and just make sure that you're buying from the right places and you are getting real crystals, not fake stuff.
Go to your local metaphysical store to be able to pick up crystals, because I know people are wondering where to get crystals. Or if you're looking online, like Gabriella said, make sure you're looking for a reputable place. A reputable place that we really like is crystal.vibes on Instagram. She's incredible. She does live sales and you can pick crystals from there.
Exactly.
Not sponsored, but we should be. Exactly.
Make sure you guys like the video. We would appreciate that a lot.
Yes. And we did a whole crystal series on our Instagram page at astrolo.t. If you're not following,
follow.
Go follow. What are you doing?
Our videos go hand in hand with our posts on Instagram. So make sure you go check us out. We've been working insanely hard on our business. So make sure you move over there after the video.
As well as comment down below any ideas you guys have for future videos, or if you guys, again, we have the idea of doing a crystal collection video, so that'd be really cool. So if you guys want to see the crystals that we have and how they've helped us with spiritual healing, let us know that. As well as don't forget to subscribe, and once you're subscribed, tell them what they gonna do.
Obviously, you're gonna hit the bell because you don't want to miss another video with Gabs and Snow.
No, look at this consistency we're bringing you. Look at this quality that our wonderful friend Kevin has provided for you guys.
My wonderful boyfriend Kevin.
Wonderful Kevin.
Thank you, we appreciate you.
Yes.
We love you.
So you're gonna want to do that.
With that being said, we'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye guys.
Darling, you